and slapping away mozzies during the summer months may soon be a thing of the past. It's hoped a joint venture between the CSIRO and a UK company will shrink mozzie numbers in Queensland. They'll use genetically engineered male mosquitoes to reduce the general mozzie population. And when they mate, they'll pass on a DNA tweak that kills female larvae. All that's needed now is the green light from regulators. And Professor Brett Sutton from the CSIRO is here to take us through it. This sounds a bit crazy. Brett, exactly how does it work?
Well, it works by having genetically modified mosquitoes as eggs, grow up. They're male mosquitoes, they're the non-biting versions, and they mate with the wild female mosquito populations. And their offspring carrying that gene means that all of the females don't get to maturity. And so the population halves every generation, and only male mosquitoes that are the non-biting ones are born. So it's a great way to control numbers and to make sure that these quote-unquote friendly mosquitoes are the ones that are mostly in the population.
How can you tell they're male?
Well, the genes mean that the females can't get to maturity. It's carried on the female genes, and therefore females can't get to that stage where they're able to seek out blood, which is what they do.
Oh, so they're wearing male genes. That's what I took away from
Correct.
that. Now,
Tiny little mosquito genes.
Yeah, that's actually quite cute. Let them live, I say. Now, are they really glow in the dark red? Is that true?
They are indeed glow in the dark red. They've got a protein that's encoded for, I think it's a coral protein that fluoresces red, and that means they can be identified in the wild when they're introduced, but also when you stop introducing them, the numbers will fall away again, and you can see that washing out in the population with that fluorescent gene.
Is there, though, a danger to messing with nature in this way? Like, we get quite worried about the bee population declining. Aren't there some knock-on effects to radically reducing the mozzie population?
Well, we're talking about an invasive species here, and so these are targeting exotic mosquitoes, really mosquitoes that shouldn't be there in the numbers that they are. For example, Aedes aegypti, which is in Queensland, it carries dengue, Zika, Japanese encephalitis, chikungunya, another viral disease that's spread across Asia and the Pacific. And climate change is expanding that range. And so really, if anything, it's a return to how things might have been historically.
All right, well, that's good news then. Brett, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.